spring today, or we going a little more spicy?
No, we'll put a little spice in
A
it.
little heat. I like heat.
Yeah.
Guys, I gotta drop a little heat on you. You have 4 days left until the Vortech Supercharger giveaway ends. And until that time, every order over $100 automatically gets 10x entries. Not only do you get 10x entries, but we're gonna slide a little something extra in your order. Could be a hat. I mean, you never know. Anyway, you only have 4 days left, and every order, like I said, over $100 automatically gets you 10 times your original entries. So do not miss out on this, guys. How's it work? Guess what? You stop by thefoxcast.com/shop, grab anything in the store. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry. And like I said, spend $100, you automatically 10x your winnings. Then guess what? I'll call you on Facebook Live, tell you you won, and ship you a Supercharger. It's that simple, but you cannot wait. Stop by the website now, grab anything in the store, and you're in.
So safe estimate, 1400 on full boogie.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it's probably making, I don't know, I mean it made 835 on really low boosts.
Yeah.
And you know, butt dyno right now we're probably 1,000 still on low boost.
Yeah.
But you know, a little bit of a diminishing return as you get higher and higher. But yeah, I mean, the kind of what we wanted to do is a 7-second streetable drag and drive car.
I like all of that.
You know,
I love it. It's been too long.
so
Wow.
that was a good little roll.
Yeah.
And that was a short shift. That was 6,500.
What do you usually shift at?
82.
Oh my God. Well, you're right. You're starting to make power when you shifted.
Yeah.
I'm glad your brakes are good. That's all I can say.
Yeah. Well, it was skating pretty hard there.
Was that 150?
Probably.
I mean, we're in Mexico, obviously.
Yeah.
But,
Probably.
oh, you smell the brakes.
Yeah, we'll let those cool down a little bit.
Ooh, man. time low. It was skating, but it was,
Yeah.
you know, it was good. Totally manageable. Small turbos, man, it's real linear. You know, it's a nice.
Yeah, it's just, it's smooth.
That is addictive. Oh. Wow. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that, Brad. Again, it's been a minute since I've actually felt some real power. This thing is a monster.
Thanks.
And just knowing we're on 12 pounds and this thing's set up for 30 plus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a handful.
I'll be back for that ride.
All right.
I'm just saying. But again, Brad, thanks. Guys, if you enjoy massively insane horsepower pulls in Mexico, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.